Okay, hopefully we've got this definition for g of x interpreted correctly. 8 raised to this power. What's the derivative? Just to help you remember how to take the derivative of 8 to the x, the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. But if the base is 8, you kind of follow the same pattern, but then you have to multiply by ln of 8. That actually comes from the logarithmic change of base formula, but that's what you have to do. Multiply by the log ln of whatever the base is, if it's not an e. If it was an e, ln of e would be 1, so you'd still get the same thing. Anyway, so we've got to take this entire thing, that's like 8 to the x, I'll just call that g of x, multiplied by the ln of the base, and then we have to apply the chain rule. We have to take the multiply by the derivative of the exponent. And I've kind of done that over here. We got to use the product rule. So we got the product of two functions, a 2x squared and this cosine. So here's the first function times the derivative of the second. The derivative of the cosine of something is the negative sign of the same something, but then we have to multiply that by the derivative of the inside, which is negative 15x squared. Then continuing the product rule plus the second function times the derivative of the first. And so here is your answer with that chain rule portion. Simplified a little bit. Negative 15x squared times this negative right here gives us plus 30x to the fourth sine of the 4 minus 5x cubed plus 4x cosine 4 minus 5x cubed. Of course, this g of x could be replaced by this entire thing right here. Boom. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.